your power?
Rick, living my best life.
You, here, now.
Rick, party pooper.
Forgive me, Lori. I'll get a generator.
Bobby, wake up.
Parrot, the parrot!
Why was Sergio in the Mercado? He's supposed to bunk in your room.
He wouldn't let me sleep. He just wants to stay up all night talking and playing. So I started taking him down to the Mercado right before bed.
Sergio's been having a giant party down there. He's the one using up all the water and electricity.
What?
Rick, sorry, not sorry.
I just wanted some sleep. I didn't know you'd be having a rager every night.
It's okay. And actually, I might have a solution for everyone's problems.
Mijita, we just wanted to thank you again.
Because of your detective work, I get to take this beautiful floor for a night on the town.
You guys look great. And speaking of flowers, my mom helped me order these for you. We tried to get a good match.
Te adoro, mijita.
Rick, go cut a rug.
Hey, Ronnie Ann, you sure you're okay rooming with him? I don't want you to be kept up all night.
Oh, it's cool. I worked out a system.
Follow the dot. Follow the dot. Follow the dot.
20 minutes of this, and he'll be exhausted.
Here, I'm out of shape.